In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to make money with DeepSeek online, and it's very easy to understand this method and actually implement. You'll be surprised at how easy this is. If you're not using AI right now in your business, you're missing out, and we're going to be doing this with full AI. So the more AI you use, the less work you're going to have to put in, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know step by step. And not only that, you're not going to have to go and create your own website or anything like that. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money right now with DeepSeek. Let's get started. All right, guys, so obviously the first thing you need for this tutorial and this method is going to be going to DeepSeek and getting yourself an account signed up. So you will need an account to do this, and you can find all of the DeepSeek capabilities here. They just did another upgrade as well. They now have DeepSeek R1, and this is a very good platform that you can go ahead and use to make money online. You could also use ChatGPT if you like, but in this video, we're going to be using DeepSeek. Now, another platform that we're going to be needing to use in this tutorial is a platform called Skool. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to show you right here exactly step by step how you can make money online with paid groups. So for example, if we look at this one right here, this person is making $7,000 per month with 1,000 members. This person is making thousands per month. This person is making thousands per month, over 40K per month. And we can actually see that this is real. That's the beauty of these stats. We can see that this person's got 5,000 members and they're making $35 per month from each member. And we can keep going down in the list. Now, if we actually look at this particular website, you don't actually have to have a course on make money or something like that. It can be on whatever topic you want to have a topic on. So for example, if we go back to the front page, this one is not about making money online. This one is about pickleball. This one is about food, I'm assuming. This one is about painting. And this is a free one, but he's probably got stuff inside it where he can get paid from courses and things like that. And then we have all of these other groups that, like a chess group, for example. This one is a self-inquiry support group. We have the elite sales stuff. We have on page 2, we had some other ones as well. Some like fitness stuff, natural living club. So anyway, we can go ahead and do a group on literally anything. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to click the link below and you want to click create your own school. So I actually have a link below and you can go ahead and click that and you can go ahead and create your own school. And then what's going to happen is you're going to be on a page like this and you're going to go ahead and sign up and create a school. Now I actually already have a school. I will show you in a second, but first things first, we need to use DeepSeek to create a name for our school. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, what kind of topic can I actually do this on? What I would recommend is you do it on a topic that you know. So it could be fishing, golfing, or anything like that, right? So for example, in this video, we're gonna do it about fishing. So what I've done is I've asked DeepSeek to give me, I said to it, I'm starting a fishing paid group. Give me a list of 50 names I could use. And it's gone ahead and given me 50 names that I can use to go ahead and start my paid group. So we've got the Trophy Hunters, the Anglers Den, the Fishing Guild, the Real Legends Club, etc., etc. You get the point. And you can keep repeating this process over and over again until it gives you a great list of names, and you can go ahead and find one. So like the Fishing Vault, the Lunker League, the Fishing Titans, all sorts of cool names here that you could potentially use for your paid group. The next thing is we need to actually go ahead and create content for our group. So what I'll do is I'll show you my group right here that I've started, and we have 900 members, and I'll show you exactly how this works. So you have a group where you have discussions with people inside your group, okay? So for example, this one here, I made $400 in one night, and I think I did a video on this. Yeah, so I did a video on that, and then I posted the video a few days later. It's kind of like, think about it as your community. But this is how you're going to go ahead and make money and get people into your groups. What you want to do is create content. Now, you can actually create content using AI. So for example, if you look at this one here, I'm pretty sure This is I used ChatGPT for this, but you can use DeepSeek to go ahead and create this particular book on how people can use these groups to go ahead and start their own group about their passion, right? So finding a niche that aligns with your passion, etc. So this is very important, and this is what you need to do. You need to create content. And then also, if you go down here and look at business GPT prompts, this was also created by ChatGPT, where we have these prompts here that I post every single week. Now, I haven't actually posted them for a while. I need to get back to do that, but this is what we do. So the first thing is to get your name and start your group. Now, keep in mind, guys, your group can be about anything. It doesn't matter. It can be about any type of thing. We've got hobbies, we've got music, we've got tech, health, sports, relationships. You can do your group based on anything. Now, what I would recommend you do is do your group for free for the first few months, just to get people in. So if I actually go to the community here, I'll show you kind of how that works. If I go to settings right here, I can select the pricing, right? So I can do something like give members a 7-day trial. I can do free members or a monthly membership. I did a $1 monthly membership for a while. But what you can do is you can go ahead and you can create any type of thing you want. Free, paid, anything. So you can go ahead and set all of that up, but I would recommend doing free for a little bit and then changing to paid or doing a 7-day trial. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and start filling up with content. So what you want to do is go to DeepSeek and you want to go and ask it questions. So for example, I'm going to say, give me content ideas that I can do in an ebook for my fishing group. Okay, and what's going to happen is it's going to give us this these ideas, right? So I'm going to post that and then come back and see what it says. All right, so what DeepSeek has now done is it says creating an ebook for your fishing group is a fantastic idea. Now it's given me some kind of topics that I can go off. Beginner's Guide to Fishing, Advanced Fishing Techniques, Night Fishing Tips, Ice Fishing, Fly Fishing Mastery, Trolling Techniques, Casting Like a Pro, Reading the Waters, etc. And there's all of these topics that we can dive into. Choosing the right gear, the top 10 must-have fishing accessories, the ultimate tackle box checklist, bait versus lures. And then we go down here and it's got how to catch bass, trout fishing secrets, panfish fishing secrets, location stuff as well. So it gets really deep into, and then we go into like cooking and stuff. So we've used DeepSeek to give us all of this information. Now what we can do is we could go ahead and use DeepSeek to create an ebook for us based on one of these topics. Now I'm not going to do it in this video because DeepSeek is taking a while to produce stuff right now. The servers have been quite busy today, but we can go ahead and use DeepSeek to create things like ebooks. So if we go back to my group here, we can do ebooks. We can do DeepSeek prompts based on fishing stuff if people want to go and create their own content as well. There's really so much you can go ahead and do. You can get DeepSeek to create a list of the best lures to use on a specific lake, for example. Like you can really get in depth with this stuff. It's quite insane what you can do. But the point is to create content and upload it to your own group where people are going to go through and they're going to read your content. So if we look at my leaderboards right here, these are the people that are reading my content. These are the people that are going through my stuff. So it's really important to go ahead and create this content and to keep people engaged in your group. So remember that it's super easy to do. We're using DeepSeek, we're using AI, we can do it within seconds. Now I'll teach you another little trick with your group. So once you have people in your group, so once you have a good amount of people, you can send a post, okay? Now what you can do is you can post a course or something like that that you've created. But if you don't have a course, you can go to places like clickbank.com. And I'll log in real quick and show you what you can do. All right, guys, I actually couldn't log into my account. I'm having some issues right now, but ClickBank is what it is a website where you can find products in specific niches, gardening, gaming, woodworking, all sorts of niches, and you can find products to promote. So you can actually promote people's products from this, and you get a commission. If you want to know more about how ClickBank works, I have videos on my channel regarding that and showing you everything that you need to know about that. But what I just showed you is how to use DeepSeek to go and create your own course on Skool.com, and then you can actually go and use DeepSeek to create the content for your school and go ahead and make money and charge a membership. I'll see you guys in the next video.